Samsung Galaxy S series is one of the premium series of Samsung. However, few manufacturing problems did arise with some of its models in the past. Today I will show you the manufacturing defect that appeared in the screen of S7 Edge phones. This video is made just for informational purpose. I still like Samsung phones the most and I am glad such problems are resolved in the newer models of S series. These are two Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge phones that we are using at home for the last 2 to 3 years. The screens were working normally up to the first 1 or 1.5 years. Later they developed these problems without any apparent physical abuse to the phones. One phone developed this bright pink line nearer to the right edge. This line remains at full brightness all the time irrespective of the brightness of the screen. The line is also present when always on display is on. With time this line is slowly increasing in its width. Using the phone with this ultra bright pink line is an annoying task. The pink line disappears temporarily by pressing hard on the Samsung logo. However, there is no permanent solution to it. You will need to replace the whole front touch panel of the phone, which is very expensive. Because of its very high price, most of the people do not consider changing the touch panel as a reasonable option. Here is my second phone. It developed this black dot near its bottom right corner. This dot was initially small but it increased in size with time. Its growth rate is very slow though. As this dot is near to one corner only, I can easily use my phone without any problem. This dot becomes less noticeable if you use some dark theme or dark wallpaper. Unfortunately, there is no solution to this defect as well. That's it friends. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Subscribe for getting more videos in the future.